Need to record your microphone and save a local MP3? This workflow is useful when you need a quick voice note without installing an app. I will show the complete process, verify what the tool produces, and explain the one limitation that matters. Open Online Voice Recorder on AudioFetcher. The media processing workflow runs locally in your browser, so the selected file is not uploaded to an AudioFetcher media server. Keep the tab open until the result is ready. Allow microphone access only when the browser asks. Press record, speak a short test, and stop. The temporary recording remains inside this browser session. Allow microphone access, record, stop, and convert. Use settings that match the destination rather than selecting the largest number automatically. Then start the tool and wait for the local engine to finish. The completed workflow produces a downloadable MP3 voice recording. Download or inspect the result before closing the page. The automated AudioFetcher test suite also opens this output with FFprobe and verifies its expected stream properties. Choose the correct microphone and listen before closing the page. Keep the original until you have listened to or inspected the result. The direct tool link and a written summary are in the description.